for Nate when Nate left. Kidney's all, we're gonna go to the park in a minute, okay, Charlie? We're gonna eat chicken first, and like she's trying to talk Charlie.
Explain to her.
Yeah, like everything's gonna be okay. I wonder why they didn't do any of the events over here like they normally do. I didn't even think to, like, I didn't know they would ever change it.
Is there a newer, bigger park in the area they might have?
Thornton does stuff too, but they've always both done something. It even feels less crowded over here this year.
It's way less crowded. Aww. So it's raining here in the park, and the babies are under the tree while it's raining right over here. Super awesome. They're such little troopers. We have all of our favorite friends here. Greg and Sebastian, Jonathan. Oh, it's raining more. You guys are getting a little wet, right? Yeah. Okay.